Hi there, welcome to Coach Masters Academy Continuous Development Program. I'm Ngoc, faculty member based in Vietnam.
And I'm Alina, faculty member based in Romania. It's great to be back on the CMA platform to continue talking about coaching and arts. You might have seen us in May during the International Coaching Week. It was so exciting to share how powerful art-based tools can be in creating sustainable change. We presented then a total of 6 tools that Ngoc and I are using in our coaching practice. They are all complements to the CMA Awareness Clarity Choice conversation and are different approaches to support our clients and ourselves in our self-development journey.
Right, and Alina and I, we are very grateful that our first sessions were received with such appreciation and curiosity. So let's explain why we are back. During these 2 times, as we were presenting our tools based on arts, both of us were wishing that we had more time to exchange with our participants, to hear more about their feedback and answer more of their questions. So we came up with the idea of having a series of online workshops dedicated to one tool at a time for you coaches to discover for your own personal journey and to use with your clients to create more shifts and sustainable changes.
And to quote Albert Einstein, because no problem can be solved at the same level of consciousness that created it, we are going to walk you through 3 new tools that will enable your clients to go out of their logical mind and to tap into their artistic intelligences. So here are the 3 topics. In September, the workshop will be about building a vision with the rainbow tool. In October, we will talk about taking the appropriate decisions with the Pentalemma. And in November, we will be exploring core values with visual cards.
And in each session, Alina and I will give a demonstration of those tools, and you will have the opportunity to put your hands on them and play with them so that you can have a feel of them and get ready to use those tools for yourself and with your clients. And all tools are suitable for online coaching.
So, if you're interested in creating more sustainable changes for yourself and with your clients, join us for 1, 2, or 3 effective and joyful learning sessions. See you there.
See you.